In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Home multiple users. If you share smart lights, speakers, or other connected devices, adding multiple users lets everyone control the home with their own account, preferences, and voice, without sharing a single login. Start by opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns your devices and the home you want to manage. If you use more than one home, double-check the home selector at the top of the app so you're editing the right one. Having Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on helps the app find devices quickly, and keeping the app updated ensures you see the latest options. Next, go to Settings. You'll find it by tapping the gear icon. This is where you manage the structure of your home, including the people who have access to it. From here, look for the Add option. Depending on your app layout, you can either tap the plus icon or open the section labeled Household. Both paths take you to the place where you can add and manage members. Choose Invite Home Member, then enter the person's Google email address exactly as they use it to sign in. It has to be a Google account so the app can link permissions, routines, and personal results to the right person. Take a moment to confirm the spelling. Mistyped addresses won't receive the invite. Now select the access level for that person. Admins can manage people, devices, and most settings across the home, while members can control devices and use routines without changing critical configurations. If you only want someone to control lights, speakers, and thermostats, member is usually the safest choice. When you've picked the right level, tap Invite. The app will send an email and an in-app notification to the address you provided. To finish, the person you invited needs to open the Google Home app on their own phone and accept the invitation from their inbox in the app or from the email they received. Ask them to sign in with the same email you invited, then follow the prompts to join your home. Once they accept, they'll appear in your household list and can immediately control shared devices. If they don't see the invite, have them refresh the app or check their email's spam folder. You can also revisit Household to verify the invite is pending and resend it if needed. That's all it takes. You've successfully set up multiple users in Google Home, making it easier and safer for everyone to control your smart home.